Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2023 Volkswagen Caddy, stock number 6900. It's run from 3rd 2021 to the current shape. It has a TPBC 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a TPBC 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left-hand headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch steel wheel tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel tyre. Right hand door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console. Automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.